On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about the length of time that probate takes.
Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show.
Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 55 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am your host. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm, Seattle and Northwest's premier estate planning law firm. I'm excited to have you here, and I'm here to talk about the length of time that probate takes. And you know, we often have clients that are frustrated with the probate process. They think it's draconian. They think it's unfair. They think it's slow, right? It's iceberg-ish, and they're right. It is slow, and it's particularly slow when you want to be able to take care of the things that need to be taken care of, so that you can grieve the loss of a loved one, so that you can kind of move on, celebrate them, and just get all this stuff out of the way. But it takes a long time, and here's why. Because at the shortest amount of time that it can take, if everything went right and went extremely smoothly, it's going to be about 5 months. You have a 4-month window when creditors have the opportunity to reach out and file a claim with the estate, basically. And you have that amount of time. That's a minimum, right? And then once that's done, the personal representative, the person that's in charge of the estate, has to gather all the debts, pay off all the debts, and then distribute whatever remaining assets are left to the people named in the will. So it always takes a little bit longer than you think it should. And I had a conversation with a client today who was really, really disappointed in the process. And he understands that the process itself is what's causing the delay, but it doesn't make him feel any better. And it doesn't make him feel like the system cares about him. And I completely get that, and I completely sympathize with him and with you if you're going through the same thing, and there's nothing that you can do about it. If you are watching this video and you are thinking about probate and you're wondering, maybe you searched like how long does probate take, there are some ways that you can avoid probate, and we can talk about those in other videos. I'm 99% sure that I already have, but you can avoid probate completely if you want to. It's quite simple. It's particularly in Washington State. It's very easy. You just have to prepare a little bit. You have to care a little bit, and I would love to be able to show you how to do that. You can also just Google around, quite frankly, but if you want to do it right, if you want to make sure everything is done right, so you don't put your family and your loved ones in the same space that people find themselves in, then call me, 206-659-1512, or email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. I'd love to talk to you. I would love to learn about you and your family and what's important to you, and show you how you can avoid this huge mess. All right, thank you for your time. I'll talk to you soon.